Okay, so here we are at CVS, and to start our transactions, I'm going to go ahead and get 2 of the Garnier Fructis shampoo and conditioner. They are on sale, 2 for $7, and when you buy 2, you get a $5 extra care buck. And I'm also going to use this $3 off too. So I'm going to pay $4 and I'm going to get $5 back in extra care bucks. And that is a Moneymaker deal that is not to miss out on. And these deals end today. So before I go to work, I needed to come take advantage of these deals while I was able to. I do also have $5 in extra care bucks that I'm going to use to pay for this transaction. Now, I will need an extra $1 worth of stuff, because if your total is not $5, you do miss out on the other $1. My total is only going to be $4, so I am going to get a pack of gum or something at the checkout. Okay, so to make sure that I use up all my extra care bucks instead of getting a pack of gum, I am going to get one of the Crest toothpaste. They're on sale for $3, and you get $2 back in extra care bucks when you purchase one. There's also a $1 off digital coupon and a 50-cent off app-only coupon. I'm not sure if I have the app-only coupon, but you're going to be getting the toothpaste for free, so I'm going to go ahead and get that as well. Now some of these.
$11.98.
Alrighty. Okay, that's much better. Ready?
Yes.
Okay, I wanted to go over my receipt with you guys before I did the next transaction. So I got the 2 Garnier at 2 for $7 and the Crest mouthwash. I had a $3 off paper coupon for the Garnier. I had a $1 off digital coupon for the Crest, and then I had $5 in extra care bucks. So my total came to $1.72. And then down here it shows that I saved 93%. I paid $1.72. I got back $7 in extra care bucks that I will be rolling on my next order. So that is a Moneymaker, and I'm pretty happy with that. Okay, so I'm going to use the extra care bucks that I just got from my first transaction. I'm going to go ahead and take advantage of this deal on Almay makeup wipes. It is spend 12, get $4 back in extra care bucks. I'm going to get 2 of the makeup wipes for $6.59. Okay, so I'm going to be getting 2 of those makeup wipes. The total is going to be about $13. I am going to use the $5 off CRT that printed for me. That's going to bring it down to $8, and then I'm also going to use the $3 off makeup wipes from the Retail Me Not. That's going to bring it down to about $5, and then I'm going to get $4 back. So I'm going to pay about 49 cents a piece for each of these. But it is going to count towards my beauty earnings, so I will get an extra $3 in extra care bucks back. Okay, so as you can see, I rolled my extra care bucks on that one. I got 2 of the Almay makeup wipes. There was a $3 off coupon from the Retail Me Not, a $5 off coupon that printed from the CRT machine. My total was $114, and then I got $4 back in extra care bucks. We're going to switch gears here a little bit, and I'm going to use my husband's account. So I'm going to go ahead and get 1 of the Crest toothpaste for this transaction. They are on sale for $3. You get $2 back in extra care bucks, but there is a $1 off coupon, a digital coupon, and there's also a 50-cent app-only coupon. So if you have that, this is going to be a 50-cent Moneymaker. Otherwise, it's just going to be free. So I'm going to grab one of those. I'm also going to get 2 of the Almay makeup wipes because his account has the CRT for the $5 off too. Okay, so I'm going to be using the $3 off 2 coupon from the Retail Me Not, as well as the Save $5 on Almay products. And I'm also going to take advantage of this Garnier deal on his account as well because it is a $1 Moneymaker. I'm going to get 2 of the shampoo and conditioner. They are 2 for $7 and it's buy 2 get $5 back. I am going to be using this $3 off coupon that expires today. That's going to bring my total down to $4 and then I'm going to get $5 back. So that'll be a $1 Moneymaker.
Brought you down to.
Okay, so I didn't realize that I had already reached my limit on the Garnier Fructis Extra Care Bucks this week. So I just paid $4 for those out of pocket and wasted my Extra Care Bucks, and that makes me sad. But anyway, I did get the $4 back for spending $12 on Almay and the $2 back for Crest. Total savings 63%. So I got the Garnier for... Okay, for my next transaction, I'm going to take advantage of the Boost deal. They're buy one get one 50% off right now, and when you buy 4, you get $10 back in Extra Care Bucks. For the Boost, I'm also going to be using 2 of these $5 off 2 manufacturer coupons. Okay, so this was my receipt that I did on my husband's transaction for the Garnier, the toothpaste, and the Almay wipes. My total was $10.18. And I got back $6 in Extra Care Bucks. 4 for the Almay and 2 for the Crest toothpaste. So then I went ahead and returned the Garnier since I had already reached my limit on Extra Care Bucks for that, and I got my $4 back plus this little 46-cent reward. So on my first transaction, that means I only paid $6 and I got back $6. So the first transaction on my husband's account was completely free. For the second transaction on his account, I got the 4 Boost protein shakes, buy one get one 50% off, and it's also buy 4 get $10 back in Extra Care Bucks. So as you can see, I had 2 of the $5 off 2 coupons from the Retail Me Not from a couple weeks ago. I also had a $2 off app coupon that I did not know about, and I used the $6 from Extra Care Bucks from the first round, from the Almay and the toothpaste. So my total came to $9.86, and then I got back $10 in Extra Care Bucks, which means that transaction was also completely free. Now, for the, not these, but the L'Oreal shampoo and conditioners, I actually got these at Kroger's, and I got these by rolling
Catalinas for the L'Oreal. So the first transaction, I got 2 of the L'Oreal hair care products, and I had a $3 off 2 manufacturer's coupon on my Kroger Plus card. So I paid $5.34 out of pocket. Then on my second transaction, because I bought the 2 L'Oreal, I got a $5 Catalina back that you can spend on any products the next time you shop. So I went back and I got 2 more L'Oreal. I used the $3 off 2 digital coupon, and then I scanned my Catalina, which then made my total 34 cents, savings of 102%. Then I went back a third time with the Catalina from that one. I bought 2 more L'Oreal shampoo and conditioner. I used the $3 off 2 digital coupon and the $5 Catalina that I got from the previous transaction, and my total was 56 cents. Total savings, 100%. And then I did get another $5 Catalina back after that, and I actually used that to purchase my newspapers yesterday so that I could get the coupon inserts out of them. Alright, so that's the end of this video. Thank you for watching and learning how to coupon at CVS and Kroger's. If you have not already done so, go ahead and hit that like button. Also, if you have not subscribed to my channel, you're going to want to go ahead and do that so that you can be first in line to figure out how to get these amazing deals, how to roll your extra care bucks at CVS, and also how to coupon at Dollar General. Thank you guys for watching my video. Until the next video, I'll see you guys later.